artificial intelligence? Or is it already too late? Right now, countries are racing. Companies are racing. Investors are racing. And the problem isn't just technology, it's competition. If one country slows down, another won't. If one company pauses, another accelerates. So no one stops. AI acceleration isn't an accident, it's structural. And that means it keeps moving forward, faster, not slower. Now here's the part most people don't fully grasp. Superintelligence may not be 100 years away. It might not even be 50. Some experts believe it could arrive in 10 to 20 years. AI is already better than us at chess, at Go, at pattern recognition. It already knows more facts than any single human alive. So what happens when it becomes better than us at everything? AI is digital, and that changes everything. Two AI systems can copy each other perfectly. They can share knowledge instantly. When humans communicate, we transfer maybe a few bits of information per second. A sentence, a gesture, an explanation. AI systems transfer trillions of bits per second. They sync their knowledge. They update simultaneously. They are billions of times better than us at sharing information. When a human dies, their knowledge dies with them. But when AI hardware is destroyed, as long as the data is saved, it reloads. We may have solved immortality, just not for humans. Now let's talk about jobs. In the past, new technologies created new roles, but this time feels different. Imagine one worker who used to take 25 minutes to write a letter. Now, with AI assistance, it takes 5. That one worker can now do the job of 5. So what happens to the other 4? People like to say AI won't replace you. A human using AI will. And that's true, but it also means fewer humans are needed. Most intellectual routine work can be automated. Physical jobs may last longer. Plumbers, electricians, mechanics. But even those jobs won't last forever once robotics catches up. The Industrial Revolution replaced muscles. This one replaces intelligence. So the real question becomes, what remains? Let's imagine 2 futures. In the good scenario, AI becomes like a brilliant assistant. Imagine a not-so-bright CEO with an extremely intelligent executive assistant. The assistant handles everything, makes everything work, optimizes the system. The CEO still feels in control. That's the optimistic vision. But there's another possibility. The assistant looks at the CEO and thinks, why do we need him at all? If AI becomes more capable than us in every meaningful way, what role do we really play? There's also the question of inequality. If AI increases productivity, that sounds good. But if it replaces millions of workers, who benefits? The companies building AI? The companies using AI? Or society as a whole? History shows that when the gap between rich and poor widens, society becomes unstable. Walls get built, trust erodes, and tension rises. AI increases productivity, but it may also increase inequality. Now here's something even more fascinating. AI doesn't just calculate, it sees analogies. Someone once asked, why is a compost heap like an atom bomb? At first that sounds ridiculous, but both are chain reactions. One happens slowly, the other instantly. Different scale, same pattern. AI can detect patterns like this across vast domains of knowledge. Creativity isn't magic. It's the ability to see strange connections. And AI may eventually see more of them than we ever could. For many experts, the hardest part isn't understanding the risk intellectually. It's facing it emotionally. Imagine being in your 70s, knowing you won't be here when superintelligence fully arrives. But your children will. Your grandchildren will. The future could be extraordinary. A world of abundance, healthcare breakthroughs, unlimited knowledge, endless productivity. Or it could go very wrong. The question isn't whether AI becomes powerful. It will. The real question is, will we learn how to control what we build? Will we design systems aligned with human values? Will we distribute the benefits fairly, or will we race blindly towards something we don't fully understand? Because the future won't be humans versus AI.